So up first this evening, the government has bowed to public pressure, announcing today that it will withdraw a proposal to hide cabinet documents from the public for 70 years.
The order tabled in Parliament on Tuesday came under fire from the opposition. The National Integrity Action, the Press Association of Jamaica and civil society all describing as a retrograde step the move to increase the exemption period for cabinet documents from 20 to 70 years.
Now, with the withdrawal of that document, the government says it will send the issue to a joint select committee of Parliament and then consider requests for cabinet documents currently before the authorities.
TVJ's Shamela Pullen has more in this Primetime News report.
On Tuesday, the government tabled an order proposing to extend the period for public access to cabinet documents from 20 to 70 years. But that has not gone down well with some groups, including the Press Association of Jamaica (PAJ) and the National Integrity Action (NIA), which both called on the government to withdraw the proposal. On Thursday, the government conceded.
We recognize that it is a contentious matter. We have listened, we have heard, we are responding, and instead of going forward with this matter, it will be withdrawn and we will accelerate the action on the Joint Select Committee.
Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith said Prime Minister Andrew Holness will announce at the next sitting of the House of Representatives that the matter be referred to a Joint Select Committee for consideration.
We have considered the matter broadly, however, and the Prime Minister will be announcing that at this next sitting of the House, and this will include a matter which we had already considered, and that is the establishment of a new Joint Select Committee to consider not only the ATI, but the Archives Act and the Official Secrets Act as a holistic endeavor to look at what is the regime that we have to protect official documents.
Meanwhile, she agrees that the 50-year extension may be too long.
That is undeniable that it is long. The issue is that it wasn't plucked from the air. There was a deep consideration about not only the period of time that applies to proprietary information. The timing for patents and copyrights, etc., normally run upwards 50, 70, 90 years or beyond the lifetime of a person. If you're thinking about private information and how it affects not only someone who is alive but their children or their estate, then you would take 70 years as a proxy again of the lifetime of a person, which still would not cover children or an estate. So it wasn't randomly chosen.
Senator Johnson-Smith defended the Holness administration, saying a discussion would have been held on the issue in Parliament. However, that discussion was preempted by public debate.
Parliamentary debate would have addressed all of the issues. It would have put the thinking forward. It would have allowed for countervailing positions to be proposed, and it would have allowed for the announcement of the new Joint Select Committee. Because you would recall that 2011 review was done, but it was never advanced. The work was not advanced. It's likely now quite outdated and would require further review. So that had always been the intention, but regretfully, the information was not shared. And that is normal. When you table a document, you don't immediately open. The normal thing would be to wait 7 days at minimum, unless it is a matter of immediate urgency.
With the withdrawal of the proposal, the government says requests for cabinet documents will be considered. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.